I promised a while ago that I would do a video, but the best way to approach local content on your website and page linking in order to start ranking in your target area, attract buyers and sellers, and be just as helpful as you would to your clients when you're working with them in person. So here goes. If you've been watching my videos for a little while now, you'll know how important it is to get really local and specific with your online marketing. But what kind of content do you actually need in order to do that? And how do you build the kind of value out of that knowledge in your head to help your website to get it to show up and rank for it? The good news is that it's easier than you think. You don't have to be a tech genius, and you already have a lot of what you need. The most important thing is to create different specific pages on your website with unique content about your target community, neighborhood, or complex. What do people like about living there? What are the amenities like? What types of homes are most common? What are the most popular home features? From that overview page, you create a few more specific listing segment or listing feature pages like homes, townhomes, or condos, or homes with pools, homes with basement suites, and then share more of your unique knowledge about those listing segments. This is a one-time investment to set up. Then it's just a matter of sharing the local, day-to-day, week-to-week, or month-to-month knowledge that you're already posting on social, in videos, or in a newsletter. Take whatever you're already currently doing and add it in the form of a simple blog post featuring the local event, shop, community update, or your market update. What you do next, though, is what everyone misses and what makes it work. Add links between those updates and the community or listing segment pages you've created. For example, on the post discussing an event in a particular neighborhood, when mentioning the neighborhood, link that text back to the neighborhood page on your site. It will funnel people and SEO value to your target neighborhood or listing segment pages and help them move up and get you more exposure. Let me know what specific segments are working for you and click the link in my bio to get the full article on how to do this.